Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop HFM Markets app notifications. If you are getting a lot of online trading alerts from this app and you want to stop them permanently, then just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, you need to access HFM Markets app info page by long pressing on your app, and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear here or the name of the app. If you tap on any of this, you will access HFM Markets app info page. Alternatively, you can also access this by just going to settings and then look for apps. This will list all the apps. If you don't see all the apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. Then search for your app like that and tap on it. Now we are on the app info page. Look for permission section and under it go to notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are turned on. Among them, permanent notification, vibration, play sound, lock screen, notification badges, as well as floating notifications. To permanently disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth, you never again receive notifications or alerts from HFM Markets app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.